What makes a great party? Is it the music, the company? Maybe. But perhaps the most important element is the food. And no party is complete without tempting appetizers. Appetizers are the opening act, the prelude to the main event. They tantalize your taste buds and set the stage for a memorable culinary experience. Among the vast repertoire of appetizers, cheesy mozzarella onion rings hold a special place of honor. They are the epitome of indulgence, a symphony of textures and flavors that will leave your guests craving for more. In this essay, we embark on a culinary journey to uncover the secrets to crafting the perfect cheesy mozzarella onion rings. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the art of frying, each step plays a crucial role in creating an appetizer that will steal the show. The beauty of cheesy mozzarella onion rings lies in their simplicity. With just a handful of key ingredients, you can create an appetizer that is both impressive and irresistible. Let's take a closer look at the components that come together to make this cheesy masterpiece. Fresh onions, the foundation of our culinary creation, providing a sweet and slightly pungent flavor. Mozzarella cheese, the star of the show, known for its meltability and mild, milky taste. Flour, the workhorse of our batter, providing structure and ensuring a crispy exterior. Eggs, the binding agent that holds everything together, adding richness and flavor. Breadcrumbs, the final layer of crunch, providing texture and golden brown goodness. Together, these ingredients form a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, making cheesy mozzarella onion rings the ultimate crowd-pleasing appetizer. Each ingredient in our cheesy mozzarella onion rings plays a vital role in creating the perfect balance of flavor and texture. Let's delve deeper into the unique contributions of each component. Fresh onions, opt for large white or yellow onions, as they have the ideal sweetness and size for onion rings. Their natural sugars caramelize beautifully during frying, adding a touch of sweetness to every bite. Mozzarella cheese, the key to achieving that irresistible cheesy pull. Mozzarella is prized for its mild flavor and excellent melting properties. Use low-moisture mozzarella for best results, as it will melt evenly without making the onion rings soggy. Flour, all-purpose flour, acts as the base of our batter, providing structure and ensuring that the onion rings hold their shape during frying. The flour also helps to create a crispy outer layer that seals in the cheesy goodness. Eggs serve as a binding agent, holding the batter together and preventing it from separating during frying. They also add richness and a beautiful golden color to the onion rings. Breadcrumbs, for a satisfyingly crunchy exterior, breadcrumbs are essential. Choose panko breadcrumbs as they are lighter and crispier than traditional breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs create a delicate, airy crust that complements the soft, cheesy interior. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, it's essential to properly prepare our ingredients. This will ensure that our cheesy mozzarella onion rings turn out perfectly every time. Onions. Begin by peeling and slicing the onions into half-inch thick rounds. Separate the rings carefully, ensuring that each ring is intact. Mozzarella cheese. Cut the mozzarella cheese into sticks that are slightly shorter than the diameter of the onion rings. This will ensure that the cheese is fully enclosed within the onion rings, preventing any cheesy leakage during frying. Batter stations. Set up 3 separate shallow dishes for our breading process. One for flour, one for beaten eggs, and one for breadcrumbs. This organized approach will streamline the breading process and prevent any messy mishaps. With our ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to assemble our cheesy masterpieces. Follow these steps carefully to achieve onion ring perfection. Step 1. Dredge in flour. Take each onion ring and dredge it in the flour, ensuring that it is evenly coated. Shake off any excess flour. Step 2. Dip in egg. Dip the floured onion ring into the beaten eggs, allowing any excess egg to drip back into the bowl. Step 3. Coat in breadcrumbs. Finally, coat the onion ring in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure that the breadcrumbs adhere to the entire surface. Step 4. Repeat. Repeat steps 1 to 3 for the remaining onion rings, placing the breaded rings on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 5. Chill. Once all the onion rings are breaded, place the baking sheet in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. This will help the batter to set, preventing it from falling apart during frying. Frying is the final and most crucial step in achieving cheesy mozzarella onion ring nirvana. Follow these tips to ensure that your onion rings emerge from the fryer golden brown, crispy and bursting with cheesy goodness. Oil temperature. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before adding the onion rings. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the oil temperature throughout the frying process. Don't overcrowd. Fry the onion rings in batches, ensuring that they have ample space to cook evenly. Overcrowding the fryer will lower the oil temperature, resulting in greasy onion rings. Golden brown is key. Fry the onion rings for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until they are golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that the cheese is fully melted. Drain and serve. Once the onion rings are cooked, remove them from the fryer using a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. Cheesy mozzarella onion rings are more than just an appetizer. They are a culinary symphony that will captivate your guests from the first bite. Here's why these onion rings are the perfect way to start any gathering. Irresistible flavor. The combination of sweet caramelized onions, gooey melted mozzarella, and a crispy, flavorful coating is a match made in culinary heaven. Each bite is an explosion of flavor that will leave your guests wanting more. Crowd-pleasing appeal. Onion rings are a universally loved appetizer, and the addition of melted mozzarella cheese elevates them to a whole new level of indulgence. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together or a more formal affair, these onion rings are sure to be a hit. Versatile and fun cheesy mozzarella onion rings can be served with a variety of dipping sauces, allowing your guests to customize their flavor experience. From classic marinara sauce to tangy ranch dressing, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, crafting the perfect cheesy mozzarella onion rings is an art form that is well worth mastering. By following the steps and tips outlined in this essay, you can create an appetizer that will tantalize taste buds and leave a lasting impression on your guests. So gather your ingredients, embrace your inner chef, and prepare to impress with the ultimate cheesy indulgence.